Okay, this is the homework help video for Honors Math 3, Unit 4, Objective 8, Graphical Limits. So we're going to take a look at the back side. So question number 3. Okay, so for question number 3, so we're going to just jump around a little bit. So I'm going to take a look at 3a. So for this one right here, so what I want to take a look at is that I want to approach x equals -1, right? So x equals -1, so that would be right here. But I want to, so there's a negative in that superscript, so what that means is I want to approach it from the left side of -1. So here's -1, so I want to be to the left, so that would be over here. So I'm on this branch of the graph, and so as x approaches -1 from the left, I look to see what my y value is approaching. So where is this place right here? And so that's at the ordered pair -1, 0. So as x is approaching -1, my y value is approaching 0. So that would be 0. Okay. And then let's take a look at E. So right here. So this is asking me to approach 2. So I want to approach 2. But there is a positive in the superscript, so that means from the right. So here's 2. X equals 2 is right here. And I want to approach from the right side of 2, so from the right. So over here somewhere, right? Here's the right of 2. So that means I'm going to be on this branch of the graph. So as x is approaching 2 from the right, so I'm going towards this ordered pair. So as x is approaching 2 from the right, my y value is approaching -3. Okay. All right, and then let's take a look at F. So for F, we want to approach just 2. So, excuse me. So there's no plus, no minus here, right, in the superscript, so that means we have to be from both sides, So if I'm approaching from both sides, and I'm trying to get to x equals 2. So as I'm approaching both sides, x equals 2, do I get a unique y value? Am I getting a unique y value? And I'm not, right? Because I'm approaching two different places. So there's not a unique number L. So then that means the limit does not exist, right? Because I do not have a unique number. Okay. And let's do one more here. So let's take a look at H. So for H, we want to approach positive infinity. So I'm headed to the right forever. So that means I'm going to start off on this branch of the graph, right? Because it's one going to the right forever. So as I'm approaching positive infinity, what's my y value approaching? So is my graph leveling off? It's not, right? My graph is not flattening or leveling off. It's going up forever. So then that means that's going towards positive infinity. And let's take a look at removable discontinuities. So I'm looking for a hole in the graph. So now this is an open dot, but it's not a hole in the graph, right? That's just where the graph, stops, okay? So I'm looking for something maybe like, like, I don't know, like right here. That would be a hole in the graph, okay? But it's not, so that doesn't count. So then I would have none. So there would be no removable discontinuities. Okay, and that's it for this video.